How to scroll in Figma. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to scroll in Figma. If you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to log on to your Figma account, and when you've done that, this page will be displayed on your screen. So what you do first is to look at the top left corner of the screen. We have the main menu. You can click on the main menu and keep scrolling down and down till you see your option. Once you scroll, you keep scrolling. Also, you can check around the page to see the option how to scroll. You can just scroll on the options and see the particular one that you want. But if you don't want that, you can check the region tools also and scroll down the page of the drop down. And if you don't want that too, you can check the shape tools and scroll down too. You can just check it and scroll down. So basically, Figma is about design. So you can make beautiful and creative designs using Figma. You can do that, and once you're done with your design, you see the share icon at the top right corner of your screen to share your beautiful designs with your friends and your clients and your loved ones. And at the right side of the screen, you can see the design option. You also see the page section. You see the local variables. You see the local styles. You see the export section too. Also, if you want to add text to your design, you see the text icon at the top left corner of the screen. You also see the creation tools icon too at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the shape tools icon. You see the region tools icon. You see a lot of things. You can just explore the Figma page to have an overview of what Figma is all about. So you can keep scrolling down and down till you get to your option. So this is simply how to scroll in Figma. It's very simple and you can try it out. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.